At Lexmark, intentional engineering means the never-ending pursuit of product improvement. To make sure Lexmark printers and multifunctions are ready to handle whatever the real world can dish out, we put every model through torturous tests and see what we can learn to make them even better. The printers that roll into our lab are in for a shock and a shake. And a ridiculous non-stop workathon in a place where we bring in paper by the truckload. The Lexmark testing lab takes our machines on a virtual world tour, putting them to work in climates ranging from hot and dry to cold and wet, plus everything in between. They get locked in vacuum chambers that simulate high-altitude outposts or even flying without an oxygen mask. And while they pretend to travel, we make them print on 400 different paper types from around the world and test their ability with languages. It's not enough just to keep going. The print quality of devices in testing is always under a microscope, no matter how difficult the operating conditions. Performing a crazy combination of tests helps us find every product's breaking point, or just uncover those irritating ticks that make somebody or something hard to live with. And after machines in development get dropped and pounded, baked and frozen, taken apart and put back together, you'd think they'd get a break. But every model we ship out there keeps on getting tested in here to make sure it's still doing what we designed it for in your place. So until we cut the juice, every Lexmark device, from small work groups to high-volume models loaded with options, has to stay on the job. We count every page, every error message, and track down every possible defect. You think it's fun to invent machines that kick the paper tray over and over so we can make it stand up to a bad morning? Well, actually, it kind of is. But we're not doing this for fun. Ultimately, we test 24 hours a day, run through 3 million pages a week, and devise new forms of torture, so owning a Lexmark won't be. Testing like this pushes us to make products that work better and last longer, extending your investment. That's intentional engineering, only from Lexmark.